Hola todos. Hi, everyone. Here are your directions for your test Flipgrid for Wednesday, November 11th. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Flipgrid. I'm going to hit Effects, and I'm going to click on the text box. Choose my font, and there's my text box. In another window, I'm going to have the test open. Here is an example slide. I will show you the real ones shortly. Notice that in red, big letters, it says do not use Google Translate. No repetition of vocab. Please don't do those things. Notice also that we have Marta y Pedro, so this says 2 people. The ones from this week we've been doing had 1, so we were writing in the third person singular, the he or she form. Now you're going to be doing the third person plural, which is the they form. So be careful with your verb endings or adjectives, whatever you decide to use, that everything agrees with they. All right? So let's say that's the picture I choose. At the end of the slides, I'm going to have a blank slide. I've already typed in my answers. Then I'm going to highlight the answer. Now I'm going to do one at a time. I don't know if you can fit all 5 in together if you want to, as long as I can see everything clearly. So then I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to go over to the Flipgrid. I'm going to go in the text box, and I'm going to paste. So there's my first sentence. Now that's too big, so I believe I have to get this out of here to be able to drag it over here. And I'm going to make it smaller because I'm going to have to fit 5 on here. And I still would like to see your face, if possible, if you're willing to. So there's my sentence. So I'm going to continue to do all 5. And then that's the way you're going to give this to me with everything together in one spot. I could see your sentences, and you're basically going to just read them to me. Read what you put onto the slide, onto the Flipgrid here. Okay? Now, let me go back to the test. So again, if you want to do 1 by 1 or all 5 and move things around, I don't know how you want to configure your Flipgrid, but that's how you're going to get the sentences. I don't want this slide here sent to me. I want it all in one spot, all in the Flipgrid. Okay, again, I don't want the Google Slides sent to me. So tomorrow you'll have 2 pictures to choose from. This is one of them. Just to talk about some things on the table here, we have, looks like apple juice, grape juice, a pear, a sandwich, an apple, something in a wrapper, or you could call it a cookie if you want. So you may choose this picture if you like. That's Juan and Ava. Or you can pick Pepe y Ana. And it looks like we have orange juice, milk, pancakes, eggs, bananas, strawberries, on the table, cereal. So pancakes, plenty of things to talk about here. So again, you're going to choose the slide, and you're going to take your sentences, copy and paste them into the Flipgrid, submit the Flipgrid. So all I'm going to be grading is the Flipgrid, and your sentences will be right there for me to read. Don't forget to use your accent marks if you need to. Notice how the easy accents are here on the side, and they will copy into the Flipgrid. So I am here for you on Wednesday if you need me. Don't forget my office hours are 9 to 10, but you can email me anytime tomorrow. Take your time, look up how to spell things, look up how to pronounce them. Good luck.